Hello, hello. How is everybody doing today? Well, I hope this day has found you at your absolute best. Today I'm making something quick and easy and real good. And I'm making rotisserie chicken salad. And this is the rotisserie chicken I got from Walmart. And I'm just going to take the breast off of here and make some chicken salad. I'm using celery, onions, sweet peppers, and eggs, and a few other things. So, yeah, if you never had rotisserie chicken salad, try it. It is so good. I'm fixing to get these veggies chopped up. This is going to be a quick little video because it's not going to take me long at all to put it together once I get these veggies chopped up. And now, as I always say, if anything I'm putting in here you don't like, you can leave it out. So, and this is the same ingredients that I would put in, it's some chicken salad if I boiled it or I cooked my own chicken. I'm just saving a step by letting Walmart cook the chicken for me. Okay. Y'all leave in the comments and let me know if you all have ever tried this, making chicken salad from rotisserie chicken. It's real flavorful. Okay. And you can put in much celery as you like, but I think that's enough for the amount I'm making. So I'm going to get the rest of these cut up and then I'll be back with you. Now I'm going to cut my onion, and you can use any kind of onion you like, but I'm just using this purple onion because that's what I have. Don't have any white onion. So I'm just going to use this purple onion here. And I may or may not use all of it. Purple onion to me has a stronger flavor than your white onions. Your Vidalia, just your plain sweet onions. So, onions going in. And I think that's enough. I'm not going to use any more. Now, let's cut my pepper. Now, this is not a hot pepper or bell pepper. This is some of those little sweet peppers, and they are good. They are really good. Cut this in little strips. And then this pepper's the last thing. The last of the veggies. Then we're going to get the rest of our ingredients in. Cut this. Okay. And these sweet peppers, they really do add a good flavor. I don't know, freshness to your salads or whatever you cook them in. They just got a good flavor. They are just sweet peppers. This is going to be our lunch a little bit later today. I have not even cooked breakfast yet, but I want this to be cool and ready for me when I get ready to eat. So there are our veggies. Those are our veggies. Now, I'm going to get the chicken over here. Okay, guys, here's my chicken breast. Now, I don't want this skin, so I'm just going to pull all the skin off of it. I don't want the skin on it. So I'm just pulling the skin off of it. I just want the white meat. Now, if you want the skin, let it stay, but I don't want the skin. I'm going to get all this off. And now I'm going to pull the chicken off the breast. It's cold, so it's hard to pull it loose. Pull the bones out. At this point, you do it just like, get my bowl over here, like you would do it if you're making a salad from a chicken you cooked at home. Okay. I don't want that skin, so I'm putting all the skin off. Okay. This bone, getting all this off. Okay, now I'm gonna cut this up. And if it was warm, I could just really pull this apart, but I just got the refrigerator, so I'm just gonna kind of cut this because it's cold. And I shred it up some more. So I'm going to get this all cut up and pulled apart, and I'll be back. Okay, I got the chicken all shredded up. Y'all see that? And all the veggies in there. And that's how it's looking. This is my chicken, onion, celery, and my sweet pepper. So we just about there. Now, I have 2 eggs, and I'm going to add those in. The rotisserie chicken is so flavorful, and it's seasoned, so I'm not adding any salt. I am gonna add a little black pepper, and y'all know my onion powder, my garlic powder, yep. But if you've never tried this, try it. It's so good, and it's quick and easy and real tasty. Now, if you have already tried it, let me know in the comments. We love it. Okay, 2 eggs in. Now, rest of the ingredients is real simple. This is the garlic powder. Sprinkle a little of that in. A little onion powder. Little onion powder. A little black pepper, of course. Okay. And now I'm going to add some sweet relish. And I'm going to add about that much right there. That should be enough. And if I had to guess at how much it was, I'd say about 1/4 of a cup. And our mayo. Same with the mayo, I'm just guessing. But I'm going to give it a stir. And see what I have to add, or do I need to add anything else? Smells so good. All these onions and all these flavors up here mixed together, it's gonna be so good. And you can eat it like this with crackers, or you can make your sandwich. I'll probably do both before the day is over. I think that's mixed up pretty good. Don't look too dry, and it's not too wet. It's just right. Just right. Okay. Let's get a cracker. Let's try this. Do I need to add anything else? Bon appetit. That's so good, y'all. This is really good. I don't need to add a thing but some bread on a sandwich. Because that is good. So guys, This is how it look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you tried this and you like it. And guys, I want y'all to remember, caring is sharing. So share the love. Y'all go on and enjoy the rest of your day. Until I see you again, love, peace, and blessings. Bye-bye. Guys, I came back to tell you that I did add some celery seed to this and a little dill. So yeah, I forgot it, but I added it. Bye-bye.